Welcome back. On this video I will show you about conditionals. Okay, the important things that I'm going to show you is the conditional if, the else, and the leaf. After I show you all this, I will talk about the nesting conditionals, or a condition inside another condition. Okay, I will show you a program that I made, so I think it's more quick, it's faster, and I can explain more faster and don't waste your time. Okay, so here's a GCD. It's about the greatest common denominator. I don't remember that. Okay, here I will show you this. The thing is that at the end of this, the two numbers, in this case the x and y, needs to be the same. Like in 2 and 4, at the end needs to be a 2. Okay, so here are the conditions. Now, if the to explain you what's if, it's like when you were a child and your mom told you, don't do that, if you do that, this is going to happen. So this is the thing, like if you jump, you can fall. No, this is like the if you jump, here we put if x equals y, then this is what's going to happen if you do that. So if x equals y, then you're going to print x. Okay, so here we can have like a, here it's like what it's going to happen. This is the parameter, like it could be if x is bigger than y, like in this case, or less than y. You can put here greater than, less than, equals to, different things. So in it's easier if you think that the if, like when your mom told you to don't do that, or that's going to happen. Now the else, the conditional else, is going to be if this one happens, then else other things going to happen. Like if you jump, like when I told you, returning to the example of your mom, if you jump and go downwards, you're going to fall. So this is like if you're going to fall. But if you don't go downwards, then else other things going to happen. Okay? See, so now if x equals y, then you're going to print x. Then else, in this case we made a loop. The loop will be explained in another video. Now here is the important thing. Now we're going to pass to the elif. The elif is the combination of else and if. It's you won't write a lot. If you put an elif, it's easier because you write less, because it's like if you put like this, if x equals y, this is going to happen, or else this is going. So if x bigger than y, then this is going to happen. If we didn't use the elif, it could be else, like this. We should put else, and then you need to put all this indentation. You need to write more. This is going to happen if we didn't use the elif. Now, if you use the elif, we only have to make this. Elif x less than y, this is going to happen. So it's to reduce your program, and in this you can put another if, like here the if, or if, I don't know, x different of y, I don't know, something happened. but in this case we're not going to use it. Okay, so the leaf is to make the nest of conditionals. I will show you in a while better how to make a nest of conditionals. Okay, now I'm going to show you the nest of conditionals. On this we're going to use another program. This is to search for literal numbers. Here what I'm going to show you is this. See, we have here our if d equals c. So if this is equals to this, now you have like your power. Now it's out. But else if this is different, here is the nest. This could have two things. Else if the count is bigger than 30, it will be possible each equals possible each plus 1. So the nesting of conditionals, it could be called tell that it's an if inside another if. So if this happens, so if d equals c, this is going to happen. Else, you can have two possible things. You can have if this is bigger than 30, this is going to end. Else, we didn't put the else, but it's going to return. So it's like if you have an if that doesn't happen, then else could have two things, that if or another thing. I think that I explained you well. If you have doubts or something, I will explain that on the comments line. I hope you like it, and see you guys later.